Hello everyone, welcome to Testimonials channel. Your ultimate increase the screen. So, who is useful for this Notion template actually? So basically, this is used for the students, professionals, businesses, and entrepreneurs to organize their work and life. Okay, what is the features available in this Notion tool? Where you can customizable dashboards, task list, database, habit tracking, and collaboration tools are available there. So what is the problem for the setting up the Notion from the scratch takes time and effort. So basically the problem is when you have a tool, you can able to you have to create template based on your requirement. You need to organize the what are the things need to be visible, each to-do list, everything will be need to create in the in the dashboard of the Notion template, Notion tool. So where here that is a it is easy, but it is time taking process to to create a template, okay, proper template based on your requirement. Then solution, we have a product the pre-made templates where you can able to just duplicate and just you added your content as per your requirement. So we have a number of templates which is as you mentioned here is around 500 Notion templates I bought it you for guys. This will be easy for your work life. If you are a student, the lecture notes, study schedules, assignment tracking. For personal use, habit tracking, meals planner, travel itineraries, can be used for these templates. So we have a number of templates are there. Coming to the freelancer, so freelancer who managing the client projects, they can easily to manage the client management or templates available in the Notion templates. Then project timelines, invoice tracking, for entrepreneurs, business plans, marketing trackers, financial forecasting, everything will be managed in the Notion tool. Okay, here okay, so here we can have it, as I said mentioned here, to categorize of the Notion templates to use that, helping the trackers managing the personal habits, everything you can able to use for personal use, meal planner, simplifying their daily meal, organizing with the minimal effort, instead of creating multiple things. So sometimes what will happen, if you have time to create a template also, you might not be understanding that what need to add here, what need to put it, how, what should I measure is measure my the meal plan, how can I check my metrics, this all this terminology will not be not be aware. So here we have a templates where you can able to easily to understanding, based on your requirement you can use it that one. As I said here, the again business plan. So business plan outlines what type of outlines, what terms we can should add it in the to in the template. These things and all will not be aware. It will take time taking process to check in Google and updating to create a template. So instead of that, we bought it for the pre-made templates. It will be easy for you to just create it yourself only, just for it will one click only. Okay, then okay, sorry, we'll go next one. Okay, first let's understand what is the problems currently which we have actually, you know we pre-design the templates which we available in the Notion tool. So example, instead of using the 5 different tools, using you can manage a project, track performance, and run meeting with the one Notion pad, where it is very handy. You can just download in the app. You can able to see wherever you have it there in a meeting. You can just one view you can able to see, and you can able to attend the meeting. You can give the all the brief discussions. So the coming to entrepreneur, again the problem is no clear roadmap. So example saying, so launching the product. So the marketing plan template keeps your campaign structure and the goal driven, and you don't have that. So there is no clear, for students, freelancing, for professional, IT softwares, or entrepreneurs. Everyone can use these in templates. Every profession has a different type of templates where you can you know yeah, yeah, yeah. I hope you guys are understanding, how it will be there. It's very easy, very understanding and clearly see a calendar, sprint, everything is available. So nice. Yeah, yeah. So this is a bundle, guys. This is around we have 500 templates available. So you can see here the nudge project tracker, habit tracker, quick notes, you know, so business metrics, all whatever you want, everything is available as per your requirement. Even if you don't have a requirement also, you can create by seeing this template you can able to increase your productivity in your life. So you can see here, see daily goal, health and daily track, social media, task management, freelancer, project management, a lot of things are there. Around 500 templates are there. So hope you understand everything. So finally we'll reveal the price. So the price is will be before the release, reveal the price, so if you have any doubts or concern about should I purchase or not, I think see guys, if you purchase it, you will will gain a lot of you know tasks. Your daily work life will be your productivity will be increased in terms of your personal, your student life, or maybe your job or freelancing, anything. Okay, if you not purchase, then you will spend a lot of time on to maintain all these in trackers. Okay, for creating Excel sheet itself, it will be very difficult uh, to create all the list of tasks which you have. So this the final price will be 299 rupees, just 299 rupees. The whole bundle, around 500 templates will be available. Okay, see guys,